everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be 5 tips to help you to pack light when you go away on holiday. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe as soon as you're done watching this video, and share it with your friends as well. Before we start, I have 2 little caveats. Number 1, I braided my hair by myself, so if any of you guys are the corona police, don't worry, I didn't go to a hair salon. And number 2, I am terrible. I don't even know the right word. Terrible, trash, I don't know. I'm terrible at packing light. So this is as much a reminder to myself as it is me telling you the tips for the few times I've been successful in packing light. So obviously, when it comes to holidaying, especially if you want to holiday and make it cheap, a lot of the tickets that you'll get on these budget airlines or even like BA will have only hand luggage. So essentially, this is all you have for an entire weekend. Now, I guess for some people that's okay, but if you're like me and you can very easily take a 20 kg bag for a 2.5-day holiday, this video will help you a lot, and deep down inside it's gonna help me too. Tip number 1 kind of aligns with what I said in my previous travel video, which is that you need to have an itinerary, because if you have an itinerary, then you know what you're gonna need to wear, you know? So the two kind of go hand in hand. For the purpose of this video, we're going to pretend that we are going on a 3-day holiday. So we're gonna be away Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the things that we have planned, it's a very chilled weekend, you know, because enjoyment plus chilling equals enjoyment. That formula didn't make sense, we'll work on it. But basically the 3 things that we're saying we want to do during this weekend, this imaginary weekend away that we're going to make happen after this virus goes, is number 1, just walking around. So sightseeing, looking around the city that we're in. Number 2 is we want to go for brunch, because by now if you don't know, I love brunch. I don't know, eh? Like I really don't know for you. And number 3, at some point during one of the days we're gonna go to a bar. So it'll either be in the evening or during the day, but it'll be like a rooftop bar kind of vibe. Number 2, 1 pair of trainers is enough. If you're anything like me and you love your trainers, I love trainers. I don't know how it is for people who like other types of shoes. But if you're like me and you love trainers, it literally feels like you're leaving one of your children at home when you travel without them. But I assure you, 1 pair of trainers is enough. Number 3, you only need 1 jacket. 1 jacket that goes with everything. I'm a little bit biased because I love black. I wear black a lot. So I would say a black jacket is the easiest, whether it's like a leather jacket, or if you're in more winter times, like a leather jacket with a little bit of fur in it, you know, something that's cute but functional at the same time. And obviously if you're traveling during the summer, it's a different situation, but I'm going more UK summer, where it's warm but the weather could just switch and then you don't know what to do. Number 4, when it comes to bottoms, whatever you're going to wear on the bottom, I say go for functional. So go for something that you can definitely wear again, because we're not packing multiple pairs of pants or multiple pairs of jeans, and something that is obviously comfortable and that you can spend a lot of time in. I would definitely lean more towards the dark colors, just in case, you know, something spills or you sit on something strange, you're still able to recycle it, as opposed to if you're wearing a light wash jean. So I would say black jeans, a very dark wash blue jean, or like leather pants, just something that's dark and that can be dressed up and dressed down. And number 5, you do not need to pack those extra things. Trust me, I've fallen into that trap. I'm like, oh, but what if it rains and then it's sunny and then it's windy and it snows all in the same day? The chances are it's not going to happen. And if you have a smartphone, you can just check what the weather's going to be like while you're there. And you, trust me, you do not need to pack the extra outfit. Okay, so now to see if this advice of mine actually worked, we're going to go with the 5 tips that I used, as well as the little fake itinerary that I created, and have a look at these outfits, try them on, see how they transition, and most importantly, if they fit into the bag. So first things first, this is actually how I usually travel. I would usually then have like obviously the jacket on top, but this is how I travel. So we'll start off like this. The trainers that I have chosen to pair with all my outfits are these because I mainly wear like black and neutral colors. Number one on our itinerary was just walking around and sightseeing. For that, I have chosen black leather pants, which are functional. I'll be able to wear them twice on this little trip of ours. This little crop vest, which is perfect because it's so small and basically weighs nothing, so it won't take up much space in the bag. And lastly, we have this leather jacket, which is again a jacket that goes with everything, including the tracksuit. Next on our imaginary itinerary is drinks at the bar, where we've said we can't necessarily wear trainers. So for that comes in functionality. We're gonna wear these lovely leather pants again. An oversized shirt like this is an excellent space saver because it transitions really well from day to night. As you can see, by unbuttoning a couple of buttons and turning it into an off-the-shoulder top, we've gone from cute daytime to flirty evening. The last item on our itinerary is brunch. For that, I have decided that I would pack a dress. For reason number one, it is just one thing, so it doesn't take up that much space and it's easy to pack. Secondly, I think, at brunch, you kind of want to look cute, like that I'm trying, but I'm not trying kind of look. So I think this is perfect. I also thought this dress was a really good pick because if you want to go for the trainers look, the dress goes with the trainers, or if you want to wear heels, it also goes with the heels. So there you have it, 5 tips for you to pack light on your next weekend getaway with proof that the things actually do fit in the bag. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.